few aircraft have earned a reputation as formidable and enduring as the Boeing, originally McDonnell Douglas, F-15C divided by D Eagle. Since its introduction in the mid-1970s, the F-15 has stood as a symbol of air superiority, precision, and unyielding performance. Designed during the height of the Cold War, the F-15C divided by D variants represent the peak of fourth-generation fighter technology, combining unmatched speed, advanced avionics, and combat versatility. Even as fifth-generation stealth fighters now dominate headlines, the Eagle's legacy continues to define what it means to achieve air dominance. The F-15C and D variants were developed to enhance the capabilities of the earlier F-15A divided by B models, providing greater endurance, upgraded avionics, and refined combat systems. For nearly 5 decades, these aircraft have formed the backbone of the United States Air Force's air superiority fleet, securing countless victories and serving as a benchmark for future fighter designs worldwide. The genesis of a legend. The story of the F-15C divided by D begins in the late 1960s, when U.S. military planners recognized the need for a pure air superiority fighter. At that time, aircraft like the F-4 Phantom II were effective but designed primarily as multi-role platforms. The U.S. Air Force sought an aircraft dedicated solely to achieving and maintaining control of the skies, a fighter that could outclimb, outturn, and outfight any adversary. McDonnell Douglas answered that call with the F-15 Eagle. Its powerful twin Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines, combined with an exceptional thrust-to-weight ratio, allowed the aircraft to accelerate vertically, a revolutionary capability at the time. With a top speed exceeding Mach 2.5 and a service ceiling of 65,000 feet, the F-15 was designed to dominate in both speed and altitude. The F-15C, a single-seat variant, and the F-15D, a dual-seat trainer and mission variant, entered production in the late 1970s. These updated versions featured increased internal fuel capacity, improved radar, and a higher maximum takeoff weight. The upgrades ensured that the Eagle remained at the forefront of aerial warfare as global threats evolved. Design and engineering excellence. Every line and surface of the F-15C/D's design speaks to its singular purpose, achieving air superiority. The aircraft's large, shoulder-mounted wings provide outstanding lift and maneuverability, while its dual vertical stabilizers enhance control during high-speed engagements. Its airframe was engineered using lightweight yet durable materials, enabling both agility and strength under extreme combat conditions. At the heart of the F-15C divided by D lies its Pratt & Whitney F-100 PW220 or PW229 turbofan engines, each generating up to 29,000 pounds of thrust with afterburner. This immense power gives the Eagle an extraordinary thrust-to-weight ratio greater than 1:1, allowing it to accelerate while climbing, a feat few fighters can match even today. The cockpit of the F-15C divided by D was equally advanced for its era. Featuring a wide field of view canopy, digital flight instruments, and head-up display, HUD, it allowed pilots to maintain situational awareness even during the most demanding dogfights. Later avionics upgrades included the APG-63 radar and its improved versions, which provided long-range detection, multiple target tracking, and look-down/shoot-down capability, critical advantages in modern air combat. Armament and combat capability. The F-15C/D's firepower complements its aerodynamic and electronic sophistication. It carries an internal M61A1 20mm Vulcan cannon, capable of firing 6,000 rounds per minute, providing unmatched close-range lethality. Its external hardpoints support a combination of air-to-air missiles, including the AIM-7 Sparrow, AIM-9 Sidewinder, and the AIM-120 AMRAAM, a versatile arsenal for both short and long-range engagements. With these systems, the Eagle can engage multiple targets simultaneously, track enemies beyond visual range, and perform high-speed intercept missions with devastating precision. Its radar-guided missile capability, combined with its speed and agility, gave the F-15C divided by D an edge in achieving first shot, first kill dominance, a decisive factor in air combat. The aircraft's ability to carry auxiliary fuel tanks and its in-flight refueling system also extend its operational range, making it suitable for long-duration missions far from base. This endurance has allowed the F-15C divided by D to project power globally, operating effectively in diverse theaters of conflict from the Middle East to Eastern Europe. Combat record, an unbroken legacy of victory. The F-15C/D's combat record remains virtually unmatched in modern aviation history. Since its first deployment, the Eagle has achieved more than 100 air-to-air kills with 0 losses in dogfights, an extraordinary feat that cements its place as one of the most successful fighters ever built. Its first major test came during the 1980s and early 1990s, particularly in the Gulf War. U.S. Air Force F-15CS achieved overwhelming air superiority against Iraqi forces, downing MiG-29s, MiG-25s, and Mirage F-1S with remarkable efficiency. The aircraft's radar and missile systems allowed American pilots to detect, track, and eliminate threats long before they were within visual range, demonstrating the true potential of advanced air combat integration. Beyond American service, the F-15C divided by D has also proven itself in the hands of allied nations such as Japan, Israel, and Saudi Arabia. Israeli F-15s, for example, have recorded dozens of air victories since their introduction, further validating the aircraft's reliability and combat effectiveness in various operational environments. Technological evolution and upgrades. Although the F-15C divided by D was conceived nearly half a century ago, continuous modernization has kept it relevant in the 21st century. The U.S. Air Force has invested heavily in radar, avionics, and weapon system upgrades to maintain the aircraft's combat edge. One of the most significant enhancements has been the integration of the Active Electronically Scanned Array (ESA) radar system, which dramatically improves target detection, tracking range, and electronic warfare resistance. Combined with modern data link systems and advanced electronic countermeasures, these upgrades ensure that the F-15C divided by D can operate effectively even in complex, high-threat environments dominated by modern surface-to-air missiles and stealth fighters. Additionally, modernization efforts have improved the aircraft's cockpit ergonomics, replacing analog gauges with digital multi-function displays. This not only enhances pilot situational awareness, but also extends the operational lifespan of the fleet well into the late 2030s. Despite newer platforms such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II entering service, the F-15C divided by D continues to play a vital role, particularly in homeland defense missions and regional air patrol operations. Its combination of speed, payload, and reliability makes it an invaluable asset even in today's multi-domain battle environment. Operational roles and strategic significance. Throughout its service life, the F-15C divided by D has fulfilled a wide range of missions beyond air superiority. While primarily designed for air-to-air combat, its endurance and adaptability have allowed it to perform interception, escort, and air policing duties across numerous global deployments.